Come on, Travis, get the boat up.
Come on, Travis. Ain't no time for sitting.
We don't want to put a big L on your forehead.
Loser.
Lazy.
Oh, I was going for that next. Okay, you ready? Sound the tone.
You guys ready? They look ready.
Brian going over that trouble making it look easy. Nice little gap double O. That little C-bound.
4-wheel drive.
Look at the wires, let's go.
30.2.
32.7. Look at the wires.
$27.9, $26.3,
2.9.
Ouch.
Hey, Mark, are you out?
No, I'm in. Yeah, I'm staying now.
26.9,
35.3. 32.5.
Is that a traction roll?
I hit a
6.2,
hole or something.
Blame it on the hole.
Yeah. Brad's gonna take off.
4 minutes left.
Calm
29.7,
down.
35.4.
Need to relax.
Whoa, got punted.
32.6.
28.0. I'm pretty sure this is correct. We got Brad, Brian, Corey, Anthony, Mark is the running order. Brad, you're running a 13.619. Brian, you're running a 13.626. And Corey, you're running a 10.622. 26.1. 27.3.
3 minutes left. .2.
Hey, there's that pole again, Mark. 27.7. 29.7.
45.1. .0.
28.7. 29.9.
2 minutes left.
Oh, well, help.
42.5. 33.4.
28.5.
39.7.
That's the way to do it. That's not the way to do it. Calm down. Calm down. Relax. Plenty of time.
27.5. 27.5.
See?
45.0.
Looks like we might have a good race for first and second here between Brian and Brad.
2.9. 40.8.
26.2. 27.1.
Oh.
41.2.
27.2. 27.9. 5 seconds left. Keep going. Till I call your name.
Pull it. What? You're losing power, Corey. Yeah.
27.8.
Car 6 is done.
Brad, you're done.
8.1. Car 9 is done.
Anthony, you're done.
Car 7 is done.
Brian, you're done.
And he parked.